And the reason I'm doing this so when I call you and I have a question, I can reference it because I couldn't retain all of this, okay?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah, that's the best way to do it. Yeah. Absolutely.
Hey, Steve, is it just within the confines of right here? Or any other rooms I need to see?
Just the dining room, but like I said, I'm not sure if you would do the floor in the dining room.
I mean, we could do it while we're here. If we got our equipment out here, we'll just do it. But we wouldn't do it on a maintenance schedule. We would get it all done for you one time.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for.
Okay, okay.
And obviously, the dining room is a very large space.
I'll take a look at that too. Guide me out there. Let me get my bag. But this is the best way I can retain everything by videotaping everything and talking to you too. It keeps everything perfect.
Sure.
Come this way, okay. Now let's talk about it here too now. This is where they're gonna serve the food and everything, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
What would you like us to do in here? Is it just the floor per se? The floors?
The floor is the biggest
Okay.
part, yeah.
Would you want the tabletops wiped down, the chairs and things like that?
I would say yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you. I just want to know, so, we got plenty of time, because we're going to be communicating till we get it to a science, so everybody on the same page.
Sure.
Okay. Is it beyond this area right here too, Steve? Right here, in the speaker area, by the podium.
Yeah, but it's the whole space.
Okay. But nothing, this is it, right here.
Correct.
Thank you.
Correct.
Okay, good, thank you.